morning students. In the previous class we already started the chapter practical geometry. Okay, in this chapter we already discussed some examples. Today also we are discussing few examples that is related practical geometry. Okay, let us start with first example, that is draw AB line segment of length 7.3 centimeters and find its axis of symmetry. As you know, what is the meaning of symmetry? Symmetry means equal parts. Symmetry means equal parts. So first of all, you have to draw AB line segment with the centimeter 7.3 and find its axis of symmetry. First of all, AB line segment ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Measurement ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 7.3 cm AB line segment ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ symmetry ಅನ್ನು identify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು using your compass and ruler. So first of all, first one, you have to draw first AB line segment. How much? 7.3 centimeter and name it as AB. Here AB line segment, how much? 7.3 centimeters. Afterwards, you have to mark the center point of this line segment. That is, name it as a O. Now, using your compass, you have to take a measurement. Here middle is there. You have to take a more than half of the line segment. Okay, middle O ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ A side. Afterwards you have to cut from B side. Okay, next again in the lower side you have to take from A side same measurement and from B side. Okay, now using your scale you have to join these 2 points. So this is center point, and as you know, this is 7.3 centimeters and name it as a D and C. Is it clear? So first of all, you have to draw 7.3 centimeters and name it as a AB point, center point as a O. Using your compass. Compass ಅನ್ನು use ಮಾಡಿ more than half ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡು next from A side and from the B side. Again from the A side and from the B side you have to cut here and join this line. Name it as a C and D. This is your first answer. Is it clear? And next, so next question number 2. Draw a line segment of length how much? 12.8 centimeters using compass divide. And so in 4 equal parts. You have to draw first 12.8 centimeters and using compass and divide it 4 equal parts. First of all 12.8 centimeter line segment ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಆ line segment ಇಂದ ನಾವು 4 equal parts ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. In the first question we only equal 2 parts are there. So in the second question you have to make a 4 equal parts. So first of all, second one, that is you have to draw how much centimeter? 12 point. Using your compass or scale you have to draw 12.8 centimeters. Okay, 12.8 centimeter na draw ಮಾಡಿ. And name, there is a no name, so you have to take your name X and Y. And most of all you have to make your center point as a O. Okay, now using your compass, first of all you have to draw 12.8 centimeter for the line segment ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಆ line segment ಅನ್ನು first half ಆಗಿ consider ಮಾಡಿ. So ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ half ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ more than center point. Center point ಇತ್ತ, center point ಇಲ್ಲಿ H ತಗೊಂಡು so from x side you have to cut like this and from the y side again you have to cut like this. Okay, this is upper side and from the lower side same x side, from the x side and again from the y side. Now using your scale you have to join this center point. Okay, join this center point. Now this is a half part. ಇದು half part but ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 4 equal parts ಅನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, now here first xy ಅನ್ನ 12.8 cm ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ half ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರ half ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so you have to give a center point. Next ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಓ ವರೆಗೂ ಇರುವಂತ ಲಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಓ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಓ ಸೈಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ from lower side you have to cut x and again from the O side. Now using your scale you have to join it. Exact center line ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, next again using your compass from this side, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಈಗ x and o ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, x and o ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹಾಫ್ ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ o and y. o and y you have to mark center point or name it as the p point and this one is q point. Again same procedure, you have to take more than half ilide, so half ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So O side ಇಂದ first cut and from the Y side again you have to cut it. Next one, from the O side you have to take the upper, now upper is downwards, again from the Y side. Now you have to join it. This one is Q and you can name it A, B, C, D or wait. This one is A, this is B, this one is C, D, E and F. So this is your first part, second part, third part and 4 equal parts, that is in the 12.8 centimeters. So 12.8 centimeter ನಾವು 4 ಭಾಗವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So here just you have to observe here, divide it 4 equal parts ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. 4 equal parts ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ನಂತರ so 4 equal parts ಅನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, next question, that is with PQ line segment of length that is 6.1 centimeter as diameter. Okay, this is 30 diameter and draw a circle. Draw a circle. So what's your question? With PQ line segment of length 6.1 centimeter as a diameter, draw a circle. Diameter, as you know about the radius and the diameter. So diameter ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, or this is also diameter. Okay, you have to take a 6.1 centimeter as a diameter. 6.1 centimeter diameter ತಗೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, first of all you have to take a 6.1 centimeter as a diameter, name it as a P and Q. Now you have to mark the center point as a O. Join this one. Before that you have to complete the circle. Okay, 6.1 ಅನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ 6.1 ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಫ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ this is your circle and this is your cut marks. You have to join the center. Okay, this is your radius, sorry, diameter. So first of all you have to draw 6.1 centimeter and name it as a P and Q. Now 6.1 centimeter means the radius ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So a radius ಇದೆ, ನಾವು circle ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Afterwards you have to take the more than half, center point ಇಂದ more than half ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು P side ಇಂದ ಒಂದು, next Q side ಇಂದ again P side ಇಂದ ಒಂದು, next Q side ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡು join ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, is it clear? Next one. Next question. Draw a circle. Draw a circle of radius 4.4 centimeters and again draw any two of its chords and construct the perpendicular ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. and draw any two of its chords. Construct the perpendicular bisector of the chords. So as you know about the chords ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತವೆ. So this is a circle and this is called a chord. ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಭಾಗವನ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಭಾಗವನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು chord. Okay, as we know about diameter is the longest chord. And using this chord you have to draw perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. First of all, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So using your ruler and compass you have to take 4 centimeters first. Here. Using your so first of all use your scale and the compass. Take 4 centimeter. Now you have to draw a circle, 4 centimeter circle. Now draw a center point, mark it as a O. Now draw any two chords. ಎರಡು chord ಅನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So you can take anywhere. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ chords. So these two chords, naming as this one is A and this is B and this is C and this one is D. Okay, now so this is your chord AB. Again you have to mark center point and CD, mark center point. You have to take your compass and this side. Using this line you have to take a more than half ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, so ಆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, half ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಗೊಳ್ಳು. So you have to cut from A side and also the B side and again here also. So from this side again you have to cut from A and from B. Now you have to join these two lines. Now this is your center point. And same from this chord. Using C and D chord, again you have to take a more than half and now cut from C side and also using D you have to again cut it. And from the D side and again C side. Here is the center point and here is the center point. You have to join these two lines. And again name it like this one is P and this is Q and this is R and this one is S. So is it clear? First of all you have to draw a 4 centimeter radius diagram. So 4 centimeter ಇರುವಂತ radius diagram ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. You have to take any two chords. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಎರಡು chord ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Name it as a A, B, C and D. Again you have to take a center point of the AB. Now you have to take a more than half of this line and cut from A side and the B side. Again from the A side and from B side you have to join this. And take same CD and center point. Again you have to take a more than half, cut from C side and from the D side. Again from the D side and the C side. You have to join this one. And name it as P, Q, R and this is here and the center point is it clear?